Hey guys, welcome back again. I'm going to go over the second part for 3D shapes. And in this part here, I'm going to go over Euler's formula. I pretty much introduced it yesterday on the lesson at the beginning, but this time we're going to just go ahead and use that. And basically what Euler's formula is used for is to find out either how many faces, how many vertices or how many edges you have in a given shape, 3D shape. Okay, so just to give you an idea, this is very, very easy. Notice on this table you have how many faces, edges, and vertices. It's already given to you, but how do you find it given two of them? How will you find the third? And it's pretty simple. So basically, let's take a cube, for example, and let's say they give you how many faces you have and how many edges you have, and you don't have how many vertices. Okay, so to find the number of vertices, you can go ahead and plug it in into the formula, and from there you just do an algebraic equation to solve it, and that's it. So faces, we're gonna do, we have 6 faces, so you're going to add the number of vertices. In this case, we don't have any. So I'm going to have V and then subtract the number of edges, which is 12. And that all of that has to be equal to 2. Okay. So from this formula, I can go ahead and solve for this. And if you solve on the left side, you have 6 plus negative 12. That will be equal to negative 6. So it'll be V minus 6. It's equal to 2. And then to leave V alone, you will have to add 6. So you're going to end up with V, it's equal to 8. And if you notice, the number of vertices that you have is 8. Okay? So this is all you have to do. Pretty much is just plug it in. Plug it in for how many faces you have, how many vertices, how many edges, and all of that has to be equal to 2. Okay? So you go from there, and that's how you'll be able to do this. Um, if I take you to the assignment, this assignment is fairly easy. First, they give you this 3D shape and is asking you how many faces you have, how many vertices, and how many edges. Once again, faces is the flat surface that you have. Do not forget about the base on the bottom and the faces that you have going around. Vertices, remember it's every angle, every corner is a vertices, and then you have the edges. The edges is every single line that divides two faces, that joins two faces. Okay, so the side of this shape is an edge because you have two faces that are being joined together. And that's basically what you will be doing with all these shapes. And then the questions on the bottom, it says a polyhedron. A polyhedron is any 3D solid shape, geometric solid shape that has, normally if it has 6 or more sides, it's called a polyhedron. So a polyhedron that has 6 faces, 7 vertices, how many edges does it have? Okay, so here you're gonna use, and notice I put hint, use Euler's formula. So you're gonna use Euler's formula to find out how many, and you go ahead and submit your answers. Okay, so that's it. That's it for this lesson. It's fairly simple, and we'll go from there.